In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Copilot to the Windows 11 right-click menu. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. Windows 11 has been praised for its clean interface and user-friendly features, but even the best systems can sometimes benefit from a little customization. Adding Copilot to the right-click menu provides convenient access to this powerful tool without having to navigate through several applications. So, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to make this happen. First things first, you want to make sure you have Copilot installed on your system. If you've already got it up and running, you're ahead of the game. But if you haven't, you'll need to download that first. Head over to the Microsoft website or simply search for Copilot in the Microsoft Store. Click Install and wait a moment for that to finish. Once you've got Copilot installed, it's time to customize the right-click menu. For this, we'll be making some adjustments in the Windows registry. Now, before we proceed, I must emphasize the importance of being cautious when working with the registry. It's a powerful tool, and making a mistake can cause complications in your system. So with that warning out of the way, let's open the registry. You can do this by typing Registry Editor into the Windows search bar. Select it from the results. You might be prompted for confirmation, since you're making changes to system settings, so go ahead and accept that prompt. Now once the Registry Editor is open, it's very important to navigate to the right path. In the left-hand sidebar, find and expand the following folders: HKE_classes_root, then look for the All File System Objects key. This is where we'll be making our new entry. Inside the All File System Objects directory, look for a key named shell. If you don't see it, you may need to create it. Right-click on All File System Objects, hover over New, and select Key. Name this new key Copilot, or whatever you like to call it. Just make sure you remember what you named it. Now with the new Copilot key created, let's add some further customization. Click on that key, and in the right pane, you'll want to create a new string value. Right-click in the right-hand pane, select New, then String Value. Name this value a MUI verb, and double-click it. In the dialog that appears, enter the text you want to appear in the right-click menu. Something like Open Copilot works perfectly. We're not done just yet. You'll also need to create a command so that when you click it, Copilot actually opens. Right-click on the Copilot key again, select New, and then choose Key. This time, call this new key Command. Now click on that. Just like before, you need to enter the command that will run when Copilot is selected. In the right pane, you should see the default value. Double-click that, and in the dialog box, you'll want to enter the path to the Copilot executable file. Usually this is found in your Program Files folder, but if you're not sure, you can right-click the Copilot shortcut from your Start menu, go to Properties, and copy the file path from there. Once that's done, click OK, close the Registry Editor, and you're finished. To put this to the test, right-click on any file or within an empty space on your desktop. You should now see the option for Open Copilot in your right-click menu. Clicking it will launch the Copilot application, giving you quick access to its features. And that's it! You've successfully added Copilot to your Windows 11 right-click menu. This small tweak can make your work much more efficient, and I hope you find it as helpful as I do. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to assist.